laani kwa nguvu zaidi.
Wadhi nyime kod weche manyien gi kama jodaka kod johala manie tong' mar Angata, Barakoi, Gwitembe kod Ntimaru e kaunti ma Migori odagi luoro kaluore gi rochruok mar arita ma osebede e gwengego. Giwacho ni wach makamano miyo giloro duknigi kendo gidok pacho chon kapok mudho donjo nikech luoro mar monj gi jonjore. Giwacho ni ma osekelo ng'ikruok e chenro magi mag ohala ka koro gikwayo migawo mar arita mondo kaw okang' mar loso wachno. Nyaka sani maloyo ji 2 osewito ngimagi kama moko bende oseyudo hinyruok.
Kila siku watu wanauawa, wanapigwa mishale, wanapigwa marisasi, lakini mbunge hajawahi hata tuma kwa familia hata mmoja risala zake za rambirambi. Sisi tumeshindwa kumuelewa kabisa huyu ndugu. Yeye ni mbunge wetu kweli ama tunataka tujue ndio sasa tusiwe tunamuuliza, jitokeze wazi aseme mimi ni mbunge wa Nyabasi. Hatutawahi muuliza. Tafuta namna ya kujisimamia katika huo upande wa security. Hili janga limekuwa jambo kubwa, donda ndugu sana. Na tunaomba serikali, Bwana Kindiki, uingilie kati, uangalie ili you solve the issue once and for all.
As you're speaking now, a number of shops around are being closed as early as 6. As we are talking here, shops are being closed. We are not in a position of developing. We cannot develop as a town if peace is not there. We have administrative units around. The police men are around. This insecurity happened. These guys were around. We call upon these guys to always intervene when we have such a problem around. We cannot have robbers here who comes and camouflage in police units.
Happy sasa